nawan din kita kasi pag binalikan ko mamaya, oh now, I will ask you, Mr. Chairman, ganito na lang. Why didn't you admit during the previous hearing? If you're not part of the group, which plan and make the narrative post-operation, why did you not admit that indeed that car, that Camry was used and it is impounded in your station? Remember, the chief of police at that station. Eh, may kaano nga dito eh, di ba? May spot reporting with regards to that. Di ba nagpadala kayo dito? Oh, the police station, commander.
Mr. Chair, related po doon sa nabanggit ni Honorable Chairman Akop.
Sige, go ahead. I'm giving you
Yes.
30 seconds.
Mr. Chair, akala ko kaibigan kita. Mr. Chair, nabanggit lang po ni Provincial Director Colonel Marian Martinaw yung quota. Actually, Mr. Chair, napansin ko po yan nung nasa service pa tayo. Ang PNP nagbibigay po ng quota by region. Usapang totoo, pag ang regional director ay kung anong probinsya siya or may mga staff officer siya taga ibang probinsya, yung quota para sa Region 4, for example, na napapasukan po ng mga ibang applicants from different regions. Pumapasok po dyan yung bata-bata system. Kaya po ang nangyayari, yung taga Region 4, for example, hindi na-accommodate at ang mga na-accommodate galing sa iba't ibang regions. So meaning, doon pa lamang po sa processing ng recruitment sa PNP, nag-uumpisa na agad yung problema. Samantalang kung ma-implement strictly, kung Region 4 ang quota, 500, Region 2, Region 3, dapat strictly mga taga roon lamang po ang pinahay or nire-recruit na police. Kasi hindi po pwede yung sasabing kulang kaya kumuha doon sa ibang regions. Hindi po totoo. Kasi ang liit lang ng quota, ang dami naman professionals, ang daming qualified applicants. Kaya ano po yan eh, sabi nga nung iba, chain reaction yan eh. Kung, siyempre, kung hindi ka taga Region 4, malakas ang loob mong umabuso. Samantalang kung taga ron ka, maingat ka. Iniingatan mo yung pamilya mo, iniingatan mo yung pangalan ng pamilya mo, siyempre. So, Mr. Chair, nabanggit ko lamang po yan, dapat ma-implement strictly yung polisiya na kung binigay ang quota sa Region 1, sa Region 2, strictly, ang applicants, taga doon lamang. Fair naman po yun eh. Wala akong nakikitang mali doon. So, yun naman po, Mr. Chair.
Thank you so much, Congressman Mosquito. Okay, so we will be proceeding with the prediction of Congressman Paduano. You are recognized.
Thank you, Chairman. Hey, Chairman, I have just read the supplemental affidavit or the corrected affidavit of previously Juan Macaray. Juan Macaray, previously Juan Macaray is the team leader of the present unit that was involved with regards to the shooting of the restaurant. Now, I have not read all the affidavit by the personal involved, no? Except for Karandang, because Karandang, when we have an executive session, malinaw po na Karandang was not part of the operation, but his name appears on the report. That, whatever is the purpose is, yun na atang kalakaran sa yun tayo. Kasi kahit hindi ka nasali doon sa operation, for promotion purposes, nakarga yung mga pangalan doon ng susunod. Ito ngayon sumabit. Now, of course, he explained this corrected affidavit, supplemental affidavit, that he was not part of such operation. Now, Mr. Chairman, looking at the affidavit of PMSG Juan Macaray as the head, team leader of the team. And I think almost all, no? Kasi binasa ko lang yung first and second paragraph of all that natin. Sinabi except yung kay Makaray. Lahat po medyo pare-pareho pa rin ng tono at bago na, and I hope this corrected affidavit is true and correct. That's what really happened during that day, no? When Charisma was shot. Now, ang wala po dito, Mr. Chairman, in the affidavit, kasi dapat nakalagay dito yung question. Ito kasi yung question of how happened, no? Yung actual operation. But the planning, yung sabi kanina ni Chairman Barbers, who are those involved? Outside of that 6, hindi na 7, kasi Macarandang is not involved directly. It's not part of the plan, it's not part of the operation. His name was just listed. The post-operation before. Now, ang question dito, Mr. Chairman, to get to the bottom of this, all of this, we should check what was involved during the planning and where those involved in the narrative which was made on the first affidavit of all those persons involved. Yun po ang wala dito. Before I proceed with that, Mr. Chairman, tatanong ko mamaya si Pakaraig na lang. Are you sure that you have, baka ito Perez, you are the one that approached the victim. And in your affidavit, I read, you recovered 2 sachets of shabu. Shabu. Tama po.
Yes, sir.
That is 4 grams. Yung dalawang sachet ba? 4 grams yun?
Ano yan?
Sigurado ka? Eh baka mamaya may lalabas na naman na walang siyang nakuha. Tapos 4 grams not 1 sachet.
Kasi sir, more than 4 grams.
Yun lang po, sinecheck lang, Chairman, kasi mamaya, baka mamaya, biglang nalitaw, sinunod ka na naman. Problema mo na naman yun, di ba? Now, yung post-operation report, kaya nga yung narrative nung nakaraan is false. Di ba? Minadmit na dito sa mga corrected affidavit. Ang question, sinong gumawa ng narrative na yun? Is it Perez alone? Is it Makaraig as team leader? Or somebody else? Me as the director of such narrative. Oh, Perez. Sino bang gumawa nun? Yung narrative na yun, kayo lang ba? Sigurado ka? Baka, yung sinasabi ko, baka may... Kasi, kahit anong cover up nyo, lalabas at lalabas pa rin ang katotohanan. Mamaya, tatanong ko yan. Kaya nga ngayon pa lang, Makaraig and Perez, you're the most senior officer in that group. Baka mamaya nag-executive session ako ulit, may sasabihin na naman. I will ask the chair for an executive session. Kasi kailangan yun. Kasi hindi natapos ang report nyo. Question of the narrative. Pare-pareho kayo eh. Oh, where's the director of that narrative? Makaraig. Where's Makaraig? Makaraig. Where's the director ng narrative nyo? Sigurado ka? Sigurado ka ha? Eh mamaya pagka sinungaling ka, ibang ko pa rin. Pagkakulong mo na namin dito. Kasi babalikan ko mamaya yung tanong sa pinagsimulan. Oh, ito. Diyan ito ng junk show. Nandiyan mga pinapit mo. Hawak mo ba? Oh, number 13. Basahin mo. Ito. Ang problema sa inyo, ay gusto ko yung salba. Mamaya si Patrolman
Yun eh, patrolman. Carpio. Ay, baka mamaya, patrol Carpio na naman yung ano. Nagsasalita ng totoo. Simula ni Carpio, then lahat kayo, papasok dun sa room. Oh, pakaray. Oh, anong laman ng affidavit number 13 mo? Paragraph 13. Yung last sentence. Oh, sabi mo dito ha, ito, I called PSSG Perez and the Alpha to ride the car and we will go back to the station to report what happened to Police Lieutenant Colonel Lintat, our Police Chief of San Juan, Batangas. O, anong oras nangyari ito? Sa pag-report nyo? Anong oras na? Ano yung after? Did you report personally to him? O tumawag ka lang? O nakita kayo doon? On the an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours after the operation? O then, siyang gumawa ng recommendation sa province. Siyang gumawa ng recommendation sa province, di ba? O, yun ang sabi ko. Chairman, kasi dito, sa narrative dito, ang gagawa talaga ng recommendation dun sa case is the city director, the chief of police. O, nandito ba yung chief of police? Ikaw ba gumawa ng ano? Ng report to the province? Kasi, ang question kasi, kung anong sinabi nila, ayun, hook, line, and sinker. Diba? Yun ang ginawa mo. You never made an investigation. May namatay na eh. May naputukan. Eto, Colonel ha. Eto ha. I warn you now. Again, ikaw. Pinawan din kita kasi pag pinalikan ko mamaya, now, I will ask you, Mr. Chairman, ganito na lang. Why didn't you admit during the previous hearing? If you're not part of the group which planned and make the narrative post-operation, why did you not admit that indeed that car, that Camry, red Camry was used and it is impounded in your station? Whatever, you're the chief of police at that station. Eh, may kaano nga dito eh, di ba? May spot report din with regards to that. Di ba nagpadala kayo dito? Oh, ito police station, commander. Oh, ba't nung tinanong ka ng isang member namin ito, Sir Manaco ba daw, si Chairman Dan? May video pa? Deny it. Oh, ngayon ang tanong. Oh, Pakaraig, ikaw chief of police ka. Pakaraig, using that car, did you ask permission from your chief of police? Umuwi ka ba ng permiso na gamitin yun? Hindi ka, ikaw ang team leader eh. Tinatanong kita. O yan, nagbabatuan na naman kayo. Tinatanong kita, diretso, ikaw ang team leader. Did you ask permission from your chief of police to use that car? Kung ba't hindi ka makasagot? Chairman, wala rito ka. Wala rito kapidabit ito. I will recommend personally to the committee, doon sa committee report, ba't hindi ka makasagot diretso? You cannot answer because you want to hide something. Oo, Makaray. Ano to? Akala ko, ayos na tayo. Did you ask permission? Again, this will be my last question. Did you ask permission? Your chief of police to use the car? Please answer.
Yes or no?
Oh. Yes? Perez. Oh, do you know that Macareg asked permission to use that car for the chief of police? Pero alam mo na impounded yun.
Yes, yes.
Alam mo na impounded yun.
Yes.
Okay. What's the driver of that car? When, di Chavez ba? Oh. Paano mo nakuha yung sasakyan? Who orders you to use the car as a backup? Sino po? And then, tanong ko, sino nagbigay sa'yo ng order to use the car? Sino nagbigay sa'yo ng paintulot na gamitin yung sasakyan na yan? Oh, wala. Wala nag-utos niyo? So, ginamit niyo lang? Si Macareg hindi never instructed you to use that car? O Macareg? So, may usapan din ng director nyo, chief of police nyo, na gamitin yung kulang sa sakyan, pero you never instructed ni Chavez? Okay, paki-lapit mo yung ano.
Dati po ay kahit
Okay. So, sa mga biglang lakad, ginagamit nyo yun. Ngayon, itong operation na to ginamit nyo ulit. But of course, ang presumption mo, alam ni na opisyal mo. Ang immediate officer mo is the chief of police. Oh, Epe. Oh, malinaw. It was being used not only in this operation. It was used in the previous operation. Tapos hindi mo alam? You're not familiar? Whatever. And inventory and everything, you don't have to check. Kailan ka ba umupo doon as chief of police? Hindi, kailan ka ba umupo doon as chief of police? 2022? Oh, kailan nangyari yun? Right. 2023 na. Anong buwan? Ano yung ano yun? May 28, 2023. 24. Oh, Epe. For that 2 years. So, hindi mo alam? Yung isa sa doon na pula? Eh, ilang beses na pala nila ginagamit? What kind of officer you are? Wala yung mga nangyari doon sa opisina mo. Sa UR mo. Now, ang worst is, was operation, kung anong narrative nila, yun ang ginamit mo. Unless, sasabihin ni Perez, sabihin ni Macaraig, that you're part of that narrative. Perez, yung chief of police ba, bahagi doon sa report niya, post report niya, tsaka yung affidavit niya.
Sir, bali kami lang po. Ano, regarding sa affidavit, sir.
Kayo lang.
Yes, sir.
Do you have a lawyer? May lawyer ba kayo nung maganda ng affidavit niyo?
Wala po, sir.
Kayo lang. Si Karandang saan? Karandang. O yung affidavit to ninyo, kayo lang.
Sir, assist po na, dahil po ng lawyer, sir.
Ikaw, yung sa'yo.
Yes, sir.
Yung iba, ikaw Perez.
Tinutukoy ko itong affidavit sa inyo.
Yung sa una, Karandang, mayroon kayo?
So, Your Honor.
Ano? So kayo lang.
Yes, Your Honor.
Makaraig, maliban doon sa ano, sa sinong hepe mo talaga? Direct na principal mo, sino? Siya na mismo.
wala kang commission officer na official. So, diretso ka kay Lintag. So, ang gusto ko lang i-correct because like Colonel Lintag is kept on denying that he knows that the red car is being used and it is under the custody of your station. Now, Makaraig, ulit, nung ginamit nyo yung pulang sasakyan, at that time, kinausap po ba si Epe that he will use the car? No. Chavez, ikaw nag-drive, di ba? So, nung planning stage, nandiyan ka na? O so, si Makaraig ang nagpaplano, head ng planning nyo. O so, sinabi niya na gamitin yung pulang sasakyan? So, decision niya lang na kung ano lang available na car, pwedeng gamitin dapat. Kahit yung counted. Yun yung kalakaran doon. Ganun ba? Ganun ba Makaraig, Chavez? O, pero, and you are doing it with the past federal operation na. Pinagamit yun. Kaya lang mga lakad. Okay. So, Mr. Chairman, as of now, I will give a benefit of the doubt to Lieutenant Colonel Lintag with regards to his knowledge about that red car. But at the very least, yan ang problema sa hindi niya alam kung anong nangyayari sa stasyon niya. Yeah. Lumalakad yung mga personnel niya na hindi niya alam. Okay. So, Chairman, anyway, still, nakahang pa rin si Chairman yung tanong, question of those, not only those 6, kasi karandang, i-out mo na yan, wala sa plano yan. Now, yung 6, nakahang pa rin si Chairman kung sino ba talaga ang iba pag-involve doon sa planning at the same time sa post-operation report. So, yung narrative na ginawa nila. Thank you, Mr.
So in other words, Chairman Paduano, from the moment na conceptualize nila Maraghi, nila Lintag, nila Santi Perez, yung plan to have the bypass operation, unfortunately, hindi nag-materialize yung plan. They went back. Bumalik kayo sa sa istasyon. Diba? Sa istasyon, doon yun na nakausap si Colonel Lintag and you reported what transpired. At nireport nyo na lahat na. Can you please reply?
Yes, sir.
So, nireport nyo na nagkaroon na ng parilan, hindi na nag-consummate yung bilihan ng ng shabu at lahat na naikwento nyo na sa kanya. So, bali lahat na kwento nila kay Colonel Lintag. So, Colonel Lintag, bakit in spite of the fact that they have tell you the story by Sergeant Makaraig and Sergeant Perez, still yung lumabas ng mga affidavit nila in relation to what really happened was different, Colonel Lintag. Bakit nag-stick kayo doon sa story na nagkaroon ng bypass?
Your Honor, lang report ko.
Ano lang kasama yung boses mo, Colonel Lintag? Ano? So, ang naging report sa iyo ay nangyari yung bypass. At ito, paninindigan nyo na Makaraig.
Report.
Sino nagawa ng statement? And gano'n ba kalaki yung police station nyo, Colonel Lintag? How many square meters?
Alat yan.
1,000 square meter. Yung inyong impounding, gano'ng kalaki?
Yung count niya,
100. Ilan ang impounded na sasakyan? Ilan ang impounded na sasakyan?
dito.
Ano pang hindi mo alam? Sabi ni Chairman ako. Ano pang hindi mo alam? 100 square meter lang yun. Gano'ng malaki ang 100 square meter? Hindi, malalaman mo ilan yung impounded na sasakyan. Yung tinatanong ko, sabi ko 100 square meter. O so 100 square meter, ilan ang impounded na sasakyan doon? Ilan?
Pero hindi po ako sure sa figure.
Yan na lintag.
Sir Chair.
100 square meter lang tinatanong ko. Isa, dalawa, tatlo sasakyan ang impounded doon.
Sa mga four-wheel vehicle po, sir, siguro more or less, sir, mga nasa 15 to 20.
15 ang impounded sa 100 square meter.
Sir, yung iba pong mga impounded, sir, wala po sa loob ng station, sir. At doon po sa may open space, sir, sa may car wash na katabi ng police station, sir.
Itong kulay pula, saan nakalagay? Doon sa 100 square meter.
Hindi po, sir.
Saan siya nakalagay?
Sa, ano po, sir, nalaman ko, sir, doon po sa may tapat ng car wash, sir, yung open.
Kita mo na, alam mo.
Hindi, sir, ngayon ko lang po nalaman, sir.
So ngayon mo lang nalaman.
Yung natanong ko po, sir.
So mangyari to, inalam mo na.
Yes, sir.
Mabuti na ba inaalam mo? Pero alam mo lahat yan. Kernel. So, ang liit na station mo, 1,000 square meter, tapos 100 square meter yung mounting mo, pero car wash doon na nilalagay ng compounded. Ako bilang ako, head ng stasyon, dapat alam ko yan. Specific na mga kotse na nakalagay doon sa compounded mo, dapat alam mo. Kapag tinanong ka natin, specific na masasabi mo. As matter pa, inaalam namin sa iyo, padala mo sa amin, kung listahan ng compounded na sasakyan doon, I haven't received any document down. That's the reason why hindi ko ma-blame yung mga members to ask you. Actually, ako, I'm done with asking the operator acted that. Let the provincial director, Colonel Malinaw, and regional director decided on your blame. Kasi meron kang command responsibility dito. Most of your responsibility. Actually, parang walang alam sa lahat eh. Alam nila na naging sasakit sa 100 square meter. That's a worrisome. Kung lahat ng PNP, lahat ng ating chief of police ng bawat munisipyo at city ay katulad mo na ganyan na hindi alam kung ano nangyayari sa kanyang istasyon, hindi mo alam kung ano nangyayari sa operasyon at napaglalangan ka at naloko ka ni Makaraig dahil hindi niya sinabi ang totoo sa iyo. Parang ano ka? Parang kayang-kaya ka ni Sergeant Makaraig.